How to use WhatsApp business account in two phones. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you use WhatsApp business account in two phones. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open WhatsApp application with your account. Alright, so after you open the WhatsApp app with your account, you'll go search interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on three dots just at the top right corner. Alright, so simply from here tap on link devices. Okay, so simply tap on link a device. Alright, confirm with your pin. Alright, so now from here you'll have to scan the QR code to the web.whatsapp.com, or you can use the desktop app or other devices. So from here you can also go with the option link with the phone number instead. So simply tap on it, and now from here you can enter the code where the WhatsApp or your web or another device. So from there you have to click link with phone number on another phone, and after that the code will be generated. So from here you can enter the code here and you can easily connect two WhatsApp business account in your two devices. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.